AlphaRex specializes in designing and producing superior and uniquely stylish aftermarket automotive performance lighting with unrivaled innovative technology. Watch this video as we take you through the installation of your new AlphaRex headlights for your 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250 or F-350 truck, step by step. Prepare these tools for your installation. Whenever working on your vehicle, always start by disconnecting the negative battery terminal. Begin by removing the 4 10mm bolts located on the top of the grille. Using the Phillips screwdriver, push down and unlock the 3 clips located on the bottom of the grille. Then, remove the 2 plastic clips located at the upper corner of each headlight. Carefully unfasten and remove the grille and place it aside for later reinstallation. Remove the 10mm bolt located on the top of the headlight housing. Remove the 2 10mm bolts located on the radiator side of the headlight housing. Remove the 10mm bolt located on the bottom of the headlight housing. Carefully pull out the headlight and remove the parking turn signal headlight wiring harnesses. Unplug the running light and turn indicator light bulbs from the old headlight. Remove the side marker bulb from the old headlight and connect it to the black connection coming from the AlphaRex headlight. Reinstall the side marker socket into the AlphaRex headlight. Insert the factory turn signal socket into the split connection for the turn signals. Route the daytime running lights harness to the 2 headlights. Start at the driver's side, which is closest to the truck's battery. Crimp the gray wire from the daytime running lights harness to the fuse tap. Go to the fuse box and tap into fuse number 50. Connect the red wire to the battery positive terminal and the black wire to the battery negative terminal. Now, connect the turn signal, low-high beam, daytime running lights, and turn signal wiring harnesses to the AlphaRex headlight. Then finish the installation by securing the headlight to the truck. Repeat the previous steps for the opposite side headlight for removal and installation. Follow the previous instructions to reinstall the grille. Test the functions of your AlphaRex headlights to ensure everything works properly. Once everything has been tested, aim your AlphaRex headlights by parking 25 feet from a wall and level the headlight beams evenly. Turn clockwise to lower the light, counterclockwise to raise the light. Now you are ready to use and enjoy your AlphaRex headlights and enjoy the stylish new look and improved night driving of your 2011 to 2016 Ford F-250 or F-350. Visit AlphaRexUSA.com to see all of our performance lighting products for your vehicle.